start. Okay, children, we are going to see about the parts of the leaf. What we are going to study?
Parts of the leaf.
So, parts of the leaf lo first one. See, the parts of the leaf lo first one is this is midrib. What is this?
Midrib.
This is the midrib of the leaf. The midrib either sides. What is there here?
Veins.
Veins. The midrib either sides we can see the veins. Okay, see here we can see the veins. The midrib either sides we can see the veins. Even veins also subdivided here. Veinlets. Veins also see subdivisions. The subdivisions in the veins also. Here there is veinlets. So midrib, veins are again divided into veinlets. Okay. So this is about the midrib. Midrib either side, veinlets. Next, the total surface area of the leaf is called leaf lamina. What can we call it is?
Leaf lamina.
Next, this is what about this this last part?
Leaf margin.
Leaf margin. So this edges of the leaf is called
Leaf margin.
So this is about the parts of the plant. Then suppose if this part is leaf base, petiole. This is the petiole. Then petiole down here below the petiole we can see the leaf base. Okay. Then are all the leaves same? No. See, this is one type of leaf, and here in grass plants we can see another type of. See, here is another type of leaf, and next see here is so this is another type of leaf. Next, see here is another type of leaf. We can show the different types of leaves. See, so with this we can understand all the leaves are not same. All the leaves are not same. Every leaf is different, so that there is a diversity in the plants. With this we can understand there is diversity in the plant. Diversity means differences in the plants. Okay, now we can see the venation. Venation, if we can see the venation, suppose here grass family plants and tap rooted plants. So suppose tap rooted plants generally they have reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means in the leaf there is a midrib either sides veins are divided with veinlets. So midrib, veinlets all together, this is called reticulate venation. Generally reticulate venation can be observed in the tap root system plants. Suppose this we have plucked from the teak plant, so that it is a tap rooted plant. In the tap rooted plants generally the leaves are with reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means the reticulate venation is with midrib, veinlets. Whereas grass family plants, generally see the grass family plants, do they have any midrib in the leaf? See here. So there is no midrib. So here there is no midrib, no specific midrib. And veins also we cannot find out clearly. So this type of venation is called parallel venation. What venation it is?
Parallel venation.
Generally parallel venation can be seen in which type of plants? Fibrous
roots.
So, see, this is the fibrous roots. So in fibrous rooted plants we can see the parallel venation, but in the tap rooted plants we can see the reticulate venation. So venation is two types in the leaves: reticulate venation, parallel venation. Next we can also observe the stomatas in the leaf. Suppose if we peel out the leaf, suppose if we peel out the small thin layer of the leaf, if we remove the thin layer of the leaf and if we put under the microscope, and we can see there are some stomatas. Stomatas are useful for the exchanging of gases. How our nose is useful for exchanging of gases, whereas plants respire or exchanging of gases through the stomata. So that leaf is finally it is one of the most important part of the plant, which is useful for the preparation of food material. So that's why we are called leaf is a food factory. What is it? What is the food factory? Leaf is the food factory.